Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Honestly, Emma, I'm not good.
Not good? What's wrong?
I hate my routine. Every day feels the same.
You hate your routine? Really? Tell me more.
My life is boring. Same things every single day.
Hmm, okay. Let's talk about it. What's your routine like?
Every day is the same, Emma. The same.
What do you mean?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Okay, that sounds normal.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat the same breakfast, bread and tea, every single day.
Bread and tea? Nothing else?
No, always bread and tea.
That does sound boring. What happens after breakfast?
I go to work. I sit at my desk. I look at my computer. I type, I type, I type.
For how many hours?
8 hours just typing and looking at a screen.
That must be very tiring.
After work, I go home.
I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. Same show, same channel, same boring news.
And then?
Then I eat dinner. Rice and chicken. Every day, rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken. No pizza, no salad, no soup?
No, only rice and chicken.
Hmm, okay. And after dinner?
I sleep, I close my eyes, and the next day repeat, repeat, repeat.
Wow, Jack, your routine is very predictable.
Predictable and boring. That's why I hate it.
Okay, Jack, I understand. Your routine is the same every day, but you can change it.
Change it? How? I'm not sure.
Small changes can make a big difference. For example, walk to work instead of driving.
Walk to work? That's too far.
Then maybe ride a bicycle. It's healthy and it's fun.
Hmm, maybe. What else?
Try a new breakfast. Eat fruit or eggs or yogurt. Not always bread and tea.
But I love bread and tea.
Okay, keep your bread and tea, but add something new. Maybe an apple.
An apple with bread and tea? That sounds interesting.
Or try cooking something different for dinner. No more only rice and chicken.
But rice and chicken are easy.
Easy, yes, but boring. What about pasta? Or soup? Or maybe pizza night?
Pizza night? I like that idea.
And after dinner, don't always watch the same TV show. Read a book. Listen to music. Call a friend.
Call a friend? That's new. I usually just sit alone.
Exactly. Talk to people, play a game, go for a walk, do something different.
Hmm. Small changes, new food, talk to people. Maybe my routine can be better.
Yes, Jack, your routine doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun.
Okay, Emma. You say I can change my routine.
Yes, small changes.
Maybe I can dance in the morning instead of brushing my teeth.
Jack, that's not a good idea. Please brush your teeth. Dance after.
Fine, I brush my teeth and I dance at the same time.
Jack, that will look very funny, but okay. It's better than nothing.
Maybe I can eat pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Pizza every meal? No, Jack, that's not healthy.
But it's not boring.
True, but your stomach will not be happy.
Maybe I can walk upside down like a bat.
A bat? Jack, humans cannot work upside down.
Why not? It's fun.
You're very creative, Jack, but let's find real ideas.
Okay. Real ideas. Mm, how about singing in the shower?
That's perfect. Sing loud, make your morning fun.
Yes, my neighbors will love it. Or maybe hate it.
Probably hate it, but still, it's better than boring silence.
You know, Emma, maybe I don't really hate my routine.
Oh? What changed your mind?
I think my routine is not the problem. The problem is me.
Interesting. Tell me more.
I always do the same things in the same way at the same time. That's boring.
Yes. Same makes life heavy, but one small change can feel big.
You're right. Maybe I just need to make it different, a little fun.
Good. Tell me, what new ideas do you have?
First, in the morning, I will stretch just 5 minutes. My body feels lazy.
Stretching is great. It makes you feel awake.
And on weekends, I can learn cooking, not just rice and chicken. Maybe spaghetti or even a cake.
Wow, Jack the chef! I want to taste your cake.
Careful, Emma. It might taste terrible the first time.
Practice makes perfect.
At work, maybe I can talk to my coworkers more, not only type.
Yes, a short chat can make the day feel lighter.
After work, instead of just TV, I can join a gym. Maybe I can also read a book, listen to music, or learn a new word in English.
Exactly.
You know what? My routine is not a prison.
That's right. A routine is like clay. You can shape it.
I like that. I don't hate my routine anymore. I can shape it.
and you decide the shape. Boring or exciting. It's your choice.
I decide exciting. I choose exciting.
Bravo, Jack! I can't wait to see your new routine.
Tomorrow morning, I will dance and brush my teeth.
Okay, but please brush first, dance after. So, let's stop for a moment and review what we learned today. We practiced daily routine verbs. Repeat after me. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Come home. Watch TV. Eat dinner. Sleep.
Yes, that's my boring routine.
Not boring anymore, Jack, because we also learned how to change a routine. Repeat after me. Try something new. Add something new. Instead of this, do that. For example,
And instead of bread and tea, eat pizza.
Jack, not every day, but yes, that's the idea. And remember some new activities. Walk in the evening. Cook a different meal. Call a friend. Read a book. Listen to music. Sing in the shower.
Sing loud, make the neighbors crazy.
Or make them happy. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, what is your routine? Do you like it or do you hate it? And how will you change it?
Yes, tell us. Maybe you gave me more ideas.
Remember, a routine is not your enemy. You can make it boring or you can make it exciting. You decide.
I decide exciting.
And you too, my friends, make your routine exciting and make your English practice exciting too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who also wants to learn English.
And practice every day. A little English every day. Not boring, but fun.